Hi everyone. Just today I thought my old wireless keyboard and mouse was broken, so I bought a new one. It was different brand. It was not very good quality, I'm afraid. It was quite expensive, but was not very good. Very good brand, but not good quality, I'm afraid. I wasn't happy, so I just for first time I went for to go for the Logitech wireless, and was reasonable price, around £27, which is reasonable for the wireless keyboard and mouse together. Which has got this Nano USB for both of them, control both of them, and it's quite handy. And this is a Logitech model MK270. So I thought I'll give it a quick review and unpacking and with details and explain you the spec. So if someone want to buy, so it might be easier, because I was looking for the new one. I was keep looking for the details. So I thought I'll explain for the people who want to buy new keyboard, wireless keyboard. And this is full size wireless, as it says on the box, and it's got I really like this thing because it was switch on and off on the top. My previous one was underneath. You had to turn it over all the time, and it works with most of the Windows. Basically Windows 7 is here, it says. Let me just see if you can see it. Let me just Windows 7, Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7. Here it says, let me see if you can see it. Oh, here, Windows 7, Vista, XP, and Chrome OS, and the rest. And here it says, let me just, it's Logitech, and basically I told you about model number, and this is quite handy. And what is inside the box basically is a keyboard, 2A AAA, which goes for the keyboard, battery, 1 Nano USB, which control both of them, keyboard and mouse, and 1 AA battery for the mouse. And what is here says, look, wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, USB receiver, 2 AAA, as I said, for the keyboard, and keyboard, and 1 AA for mouse battery, and user manual, and also comes with 3 years manufacturer guarantee, which is quite handy. But unfortunately I had the previous one for 1 year, but it was broken and I couldn't find the receipt to return it to the shop I bought it. Okay, and so, and here let's give you some more details about this product. It works with Windows and Chrome OS. Basically it says full size, comfort, low profile, whisper quiet keys, and contoured mouse, and also the rest are different languages. Your computer at the fingertip, instant access to your music, calculator, and more with 8 shortcut keys. And this is quite handy, which convinced me to buy. Basically the battery for the keyboard go for 36 months, which is 3 years, and 1.5 years for the mouse, which is quite good for the battery consumption. And this Nano USB basically just plug in and works up to 10 meters. Basically, if you have a keyboard, if you want to control your TV and you want to type with it, you can go up to 10 meters away from your TV, which is handy. And here actually about keyboard is adjustable keyboard height. It is, and this is quite handy, spill resistant, which is, I haven't tested it basically, and I don't know how good it is. And 2.4 gigahertz wireless, up to 10 meter, Nano USB, cap lock indicator light, on and off switch, which is on the top, which is really good, useful. And this is details about the mouse, on and off buttons got, and these are different language. That's it. So I'm gonna open the box and see what is inside. And turn around, see what it is. Keyboard is mouse is at end. Sorry. And this is a keyboard. Let's see. The box is empty. Okay, this is the actual a mouse, which this indicator has got a battery inside. And this is a which is handy switch and off button to save your battery when you're not in use. And this is the optical thing. Basically, the battery is inside. If you pull this one, they'll become active. Basically, this is just insulator between the battery contact. So now it should work when I connect it. Let's see where I think the macro. I don't know where this is battery. Should be USB should be inside, but it's not there. I hope somewhere in the box. Basically, this is storage for the Nano USB, which control both of them when you connect to PC and stuff, PC or laptop. And this is switching off. Let me just put it on. It is on. And this is a actual keyboard, and the warranty paper is there. Let me just open it to see how good it is. Okay, this is warranty box. This is again for the batteries. You just pull it, so it should be active. And this is the stand which you can adjust the height, basically, when you put it on the table or desk. It works like this. And this is switch on and off button. As I said, this is quite good. It is on already. And this is all the key features, which is for the music, on and off button, volume, and the rest. And the rest are a standard key. Standard key, as you see. Non-block, and it's got light for non-block, as I said. Let me see. Non-light. The rest is pretty standard. I can't tell you about how good it is in terms of work, because I just opened it. I haven't used it yet, and hopefully it's better than my previous one. And this is technical details at the back, which not bad. That's it. I haven't seen the USB. I hope it's in the box somewhere. I have to search for it, otherwise it won't work at all. USB missing. I think this is quite. That's it. I hope it help you if you want to decide to buy an Logitech MK270, which is quite reasonable price, and battery is quite good. 36 months for the keyboard, as I said, and 18 months, which is quite good. That's it. I hope you like it, and please see my other videos and subscribe to my channel if you wish. Thank you very much, and take care. Bye.